In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a connection in Zoho Desk. Whether you're new to Zoho Desk or just looking to expand its capabilities, setting up a connection will enable you to integrate with other applications seamlessly and optimize your workflows. Let's dive right in and explore the straightforward steps to get this done. To start, make sure you're logged into Zoho Desk with the appropriate permissions to access the developer tools. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Zoho Desk interface, where you'll find the Setup icon, which resembles a small gear. Click this icon to open the Settings menu, where we have a vast array of configuration options at our disposal. Now, within the Setup menu, look for the section labeled Developer Space. This area is crucial for developers and admins like yourself who wish to extend the functionality of Zoho Desk by integrating with other tools and platforms. From here, click on Connections. Doing so will take you to the My Connections page, a hub where you can manage existing connections and, more importantly, create new ones. Once you're on the My Connections page, your next step is to create a brand new connection. In the upper right corner of this page, you'll see a button labeled Create Connection. Go ahead and click this button. This action will start the process of building a new connection, which will allow Zoho Desk to interact with other apps or services you choose. At this point, you're on your way to setting up a successful connection. You can explore the various services available and configure the connection settings according to your needs. Keep in mind that connecting Zoho Desk with other platforms can significantly improve your productivity by automating mundane tasks and ensuring that information flows smoothly between different applications. Remember, when establishing connections, you may need certain credentials or permissions from each of the services you're connecting to, so make sure you have those ready. Each service might have some unique requirements, so it's a good idea to consult the service's documentation if you encounter any hurdles. In summary, by accessing developer space in Zoho Desk, navigating to the Connections section, and clicking on the Create Connection button, you're well equipped to start bridging Zoho Desk with other vital tools your team uses. The ability to integrate applications effectively will not only save you time, but also empower your team to achieve more by keeping everything synchronized. I hope this guide has helped demystify the process of creating a connection in Zoho Desk for you. If you found this tutorial useful, don't hesitate to explore more ways to enhance your Zoho Desk experience by checking out other features in the developer space. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep optimizing your workflows.